Imagine this. You're walking down the street, birds chirping, the sun shining, then suddenly, poof, every molecule of oxygen vanishes. Not just from the air, from the entire planet. For 5 seconds. Just 5 seconds. What could possibly go wrong? Oxygen isn't just what you breathe. It's literally holding Earth together. It fuels our lungs, ignites fires, binds steel, and keeps every living cell alive. It's 21% of our atmosphere, and 100% of the reason you're not dead right now. Remove it, and reality starts to fall apart, literally. Boom! Oxygen is gone. Not reduced, not low. 0%. Instantly, everyone holding their breath suddenly can't. Planes fall from the sky, glass shatters, metal crumbles, and the sky? It goes pitch black. Oxygen was holding more together than you think, including the entire world's sanity. With oxygen gone, the very structure of our world begins to unravel. Concrete, normally a stable building material, contains trapped oxygen molecules. Without them, structures instantly crumble like dry sandcastles. Planes fall from the sky, their engines stalling without oxygen for combustion. Oceans evaporate at terrifying speed. Oxygen in H2O disappears, leaving only hydrogen, which instantly escapes into space. The blue sky fades into darkness, revealing a cosmic panorama normally hidden behind our oxygen-rich atmosphere. The Earth is falling apart at every level, and Mr. Bean, somehow, is still cluelessly strolling through it all. Now, what happens to you without oxygen? Within just 1 second, red blood cells stop transporting oxygen. The brain loses consciousness in 10 seconds. In 15 seconds, all muscular control fails. People collapse mid-step. Your lungs don't just lack air, they begin collapsing under internal pressure. Without oxygen molecules to maintain structure, your skin turns pale, then bluish. In under 60 seconds, brain cells begin to die permanently. And Mr. Bean? Let's just say he's trying CPR on a mannequin, blissfully unaware he's the next to go. And then, just like that, oxygen returns. Plants exhale, birds take flight, and the Earth's lungs gasp back to life. Flames reignite, rust resumes, and the metallic scent of oxygen fills the air once again. Mr. Bean? Well, he's still passed out, but at least now he's breathing. So the next time you're taking a deep breath, remember, 5 seconds without oxygen is all it takes to break the world. If you breathed during this video, you owe us a like. If you gasped, hit that subscribe button. And for more mind-bending, scientifically cursed realities, stick around. Mr. Bean and I have a lot more chaos to share.